G'day gang. Been a minute. Happy New Year by the way. We're nearly done. Nearly all the floors are in. We've patched up here, we've patched up this fella. This side's done, made a patch for here. The other floor's in up the front. Floor's in at the back. I've just got that back corner, same as this one here, to do over there. Then we've got a port 15 the floor. Now we'll start assembling the inside maybe. Yeah, so I just thought I'd bring you up to speed with what's going on. We've got some paint for the dash there. This is coming off. But this, I think, is probably next week. The leg on the subframe down there, we've actually found a brand new one. It's not going to be in for a couple of weeks, so I have to cut that off and graft it into that. Yeah, made a patch panel for there. It's with the seats bolt in. Again, all I've got is this corner and in here, and then we can start. Oh, and that little corner there, and that hole there in the wheel well for the spare. We nearly got it. Nearly done welding. Oh, I tell you what, it's been a bit of a. If you don't weld, I'm a welder. I'm a mechanic, no fabricator. I'm no panel beater. Gotten better and better, I believe. Some of those welds aren't too horrible. Patch this little corner up here. This mudguard and stuff can go back on once we put a bit of primer or what have you. This guy here, grind him down, put a bit of something on it. You won't see that once the mudguard's on. Yeah. Yeah. So just sort of let you know how we're going. Say g'day. Hope you guys are doing alright. And yeah, we'll check you later. Have a goodie. Cheers. Yeah.